freedom.
Hello everyone, today we will watch videos of cute cats. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go!
Está cidade nossa pira. Hej, ty blir så bracia. Está cidade nossa papir.
Although this cat is angry, it still enjoys being petted. It is a loving cat.
Przepraszam, tak ja zrobię, ty czujesz się.
Put the kitchen supplies back where they belong. I'm looking for the salt. This cat's dance shows that she is not satisfied with this food. To eat with people, you must imitate them.
Ready? Go get it! You're back. Here you go. That was better. That's better.
Sit.
He's a great actor, but he doesn't have to play the victim. This is how this cat welcomed his guest. He should be in the reception hall.
Really?
Oh my God! I don't want this air conditioner. Turn it off now.
Bueno. Ok, bueno, pues. Bueno. Ojo, me prendo cosa. Bueno. Ok, me prendo puesto. Bueno. Ok. Ay, lindo.
This cat's profession is barbering, but he doesn't have the tools. Seeing the scenic views from above is a real pleasure. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.